Well, hi there. My name is Aubrey from WTI, and these are the DIYMAG magnetic hooks. They come in this super simple and sleek box, and they're so easy to put together. You really want to look into these if you have a lot of metal surfaces like we do in our house. They're wildly easy to piece together, and I love them for the ease too. They hang when I need them to hang and hold and yada yada. It's great. They look so simplistic in our house, and I'm just really happy with these. And I even tested how strong they were because they said that they were 25 pounds. They hold my cast iron skillets. It's amazing. So overall, if you're looking for durability, simplicity, and ease, then this is it, my friends. This is it. And that's my point of view.